Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I am going to take you through the audit log search functionalities of in Office 365. So as you see in front of you, I have opened the admin center of my Office 365 personal subscription. So what you got to do, you got to go to admin center. So in the left hand side navigation area, you see a drop down for admin center. So click on security and compliance, and this is gonna open the security and compliance admin center for you. All right. So here you need to go for search and investigation, because the name audit log search itself suggests that this is gonna be a kind of search or an investigation in some other sense and word. So let's go for audit log search. Alright. So what happens when you come to this page for the very first time, you see a link here that is about enabling audit log search for your organization. So when you click on that, it takes a few hours before this is activated for your organization. And once that link is activated, you can have audit log search functionality for 90 days. So if suppose I enable it for next 90 days, you can have it. Well, in order to explain in a better way, I can say that on any particular day, you can search up to previous 90 days. So suppose if we are going to search today, and today is, let's say, 20th of April. So just count 90 days till then, you can make a search. After that, the data is like the moment you move to the next day. For example, tomorrow is 21st, then we are going to lose one day from the starting point. This is how it works. In very simple terms, I can say 90 days retention, that's all. Now come here, let's see what kind of activities we can really search for. So if you see, these activities have been actually categorized. For example, file and page activities. So if I click on that, all 19 activities have been assigned to me, and I can always clear this. Once I clear, that means I am searching for all. Then I have folder activities. So under each category, you see almost all possible actions. Of course, there could be more as well, which are not covered here, but you see almost all. For example, under file, you see access file, checkout file, discarded file, checkout, checked in, copied, deleted, downloaded, moved. Similarly, you have under folder copied, created, deleted from recycle bin, sharing and access request, and look synchronization activity. So this is not just with a particular component, like this is not just with SharePoint, it is with other components also of Office's web. Like right now we are dealing with OneDrive actions. Similarly, again, this is back to SharePoint site administration. Now we are in Exchange. Created mailbox item, copied messages to another folder, updated message, sway activities, user administration activities. This is like overall administration. When a user joins your organization, you create their account, and you provide them license, you remove licenses, you change their passwords, you sometimes even delete user accounts. So all such activities can be tracked over there. And Azure AD administrative activities also you can track here. Application administration also, directory administration, e-discovery activities, Power BI activities, Microsoft Team activities, Dynamics 365 activities, Microsoft Flow activities, Stream activities. So you have all sort of activities here. Now, because for me this was activated yesterday, so I see only 2 days. But in a long term, you will see previous 90 days. This is what I wanted to explain earlier in this video. And you can always select a custom criteria. You can even put some time period here if you want to narrow down further. And users. So suppose you don't want to get this information for all the users, because if you are part of a big organization, searching data for all the users is not going to be an easy task, because then you're going to go through each and every so what happens, like, you target certain users when you do some sort of investigation, so that purpose can be fulfilled here when you filter the results by users. So because in my environment I just got two, so I'm going to put my name over here. And if you are investigating for a particular file, folder, or site, You can always put that information here so that the results are filtered. So now I'm gonna search for it. Let's see what happens. You see the results are being loaded, so just wait for the results to appear. Okay, the results are here now. So now let's approach and see what exactly we see here. Okay, so we can export the results, we can save, and we can even download the results, and we can even filter the results as well. So when it comes to filtration, this filtration is dynamic. For example, in users, let's say if I type something that does not exist, the results disappear. I did not have to click on any submit button or any kind of apply filters. It happens automatically. The moment I take the string off, the results are supposed to appear, and yes, the results are appeared. Okay, and because I did not put any kind of restriction on my search result, I mean to say any filter, so you see I have all the activities, of course, that I have done during this period, the October here. And out of this date you can always you can arrange the results by date. You see you have the option to do that, and again by other filters, other columns also. You have all these flexibilities available here, so the results are highly flexible. And the most important thing is you can export this in a CSV file. So once this is exported to a CSV file, you get a lot of flexibilities. You can use all your Excel knowledge to transform the results in the format you really want to have. So that is how it works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.